Okay, welcome to this exciting course, guys. So we'll be doing 736 on the key of C. So without any further ado, I'll just play it, then break it down, so I don't waste your time, right? Yeah, so 736 can be applied in numerous ways in a song, but let's go ahead and break it down and see if we can apply it to a song. So left hand side, we have B. Sorry, let me start off with the scale. On the key of C, we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, then back to the 1, C. So I started with this melody walk up, which is, so that's the melody line. Let me take it slow. Tan, ta, da, 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 da. Then, so I did this grace note here, or you can call it slow, from D, E flat to E, like so. Then on my left hand side, I have B and A, while on my right hand side, I'm playing with my thumb, the D and E together with the A note. So let me play it slow. We have this. So we have this chord as our first chord. Then for the second chord, which is over the 3, this chord we just played is over the 7. So over the 3, we have, so your left hand side you have this is E, then this is A, then you resolve to this, that's A flat and B. Let me take it again. So that's what you are doing on your left hand side. On your right hand side, we are doing, so we started with this melody on top, played it twice, that's the D notes. Then I'm playing this D major triad, D, F sharp and A. Then I resolved just these two notes, my index and my middle finger. So we now have D, F and A flat. Let me take it again. So if I incorporate my both hands and play it together, we'll have this. So while my left hand is playing E and A, my right hand is playing D, F sharp, A and D. So when my right hand resolved to D, F and A flat, my left hand side is now playing E, A flat and B. Then now came to the 6. This just is slow from your flat 7. This is B flat, B and C. So left hand side, this is A, E and C with an arpeggio. What I'm doing is just, your left hand is playing the C, your right hand side is doing D, E and G. Same thing, played across different octaves. Then I came to the 4 by doing this. Deserve the glory and the honor. I believe is mine. Like, you can just do that over the 4 just to keep it simple. So let's break it down. So this is B and E. Yeah, 1, 7, 6. Then on your left hand side, so this is F, C, G. Then with your right hand playing these G notes. Then here's the changes. that's the left hand. This is just D, C, then while right hand side is doing same thing we did here. So this is just sus2 chord. Left hand, this is right hand. So let me take it slow again.